We have a lot of vegetables here.
Ano naman ito ibutang di? Para isa rin pagkarga.
Di madala ni Elmer.
Oy ko. Ako pa di madala ni.
It's my mama.
May gaan pa jud.
It's a green chili. We have a lot of green chili here. It's green chili and
Bayad naman jud tag.
it's a cucumber. Red chili. It's a reject already. And this one is beans. It's beans. Healthy beans. It's my father. Yes. It's long beans, but this one small beans. I have a lot of vegetables here. I know what's your favorite. We have papaya and we have pumpkin here. It's pumpkin here. It's Jerica. This is our place, and that is inside our house. It's kitchen, cooking place, kitchen. My mama there. It's inside. And this part is farm. Mount sa garing ngalan aning gitanom diri ani papa ma? Ma? Unsa ganing gisidling ni papa? Oh, this is eggplant seedless. Look. Eggplant seedless. It's huge. Yeah, it's vegetables over there. In that place, vegetables. Coconut here. This is my place. This is our house here. Oh, but this one, it's sweetish. Sweeties. People use this for hair color. This one. You want I show you? Next time because it's become red, but that one is inside of our house. It's your langka. Langka.
Pumuntaan namin sa kailangan
House. And other place, other side, that is the room. Exactly, this is the house. I cannot show you because there's clothes, a lot of